Hi viewers, this is Engineer Mazhar Abbas. Today with a new video, material required for plaster of 20 square meter wall. Before going to start my video, I request you to subscribe my YouTube Civil Engineering Help Desk channel and hit bell icon so that you can get notification whenever I upload any video. Now comes to the topic. Our topic is material required for plaster of 20 square meter wall. We have a wall whose area is 5 meter by 4 meter, and this is outer wall, not inner wall, it is outer wall. We have to calculate the quantities of material that is required for plaster of this wall. First of all, we will calculate area. We know that area is equal to length into breadth. Length is 5 meter and width or breadth is 4 meter. So 5 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 20 square meter. Now viewers, if we want to calculate the quantities of material that is used in plaster, which is cement and sand, we must know the volume. So for volume, we know that volume is equal to area multiplied by height or thickness. In plaster we use thickness. So volume is equal to area. We have area 20 square meter and thickness. Viewers, remember, for a wall which is outer wall, the thickness of plaster is 20 mm. It is a standard. For outer wall, thickness of plaster will be 20 mm. So multiplying by 20 mm, it is meter square and it is mm, so dividing by 1000, we convert mm into meter. 0.020 meter. So after calculating, we get 0.4 cubic meter. So volume of material which will be used for plastering of 20 square meter is 0.4 meter. But we know that if we want to calculate cement and sand quantity, this volume will not use. We need dry volume, and dry volume is equal to wet volume into 1.35. Remember viewers, for concrete, dry volume is equal to wet volume multiplied by 1.54, but for plaster, dry volume is equal to wet volume multiplied by 1.35. so dry volume is equal to wet volume, which is 0.4 multiplied by ratio 1.35. After multiplying, we get 0.54 cubic meter. It's mean the material required for 20 square meter wall is 0.54 cubic meter. Now we will calculate how much cement bag and how much sand will be required for this purpose. First of all, we will calculate number of cement bag for this plaster. Number of cement bag is equal to dry volume multiplied by cement ratio divided by sum of ratio. Now viewers, what is cement ratio and what is sum of ratio? Viewers, for plaster there are two ratios. One is 1:4 and other is 1:6. Remember, for outer walls the ratio is 1:4 and for inner wall we use 1:6. This is an outer wall. For that 1:4 will be used. It's mean 1 means cement and 4 mean sand. So here our ratio is 1:4 for plaster of outer wall. Now putting value dry volume, we have 0.54 multiplied by cement ratio, which is equal to 1, divided by sum of ratio. It's mean one ratio is 1 and other ratio is 4. Sum of ratio mean adding both, which is equal to 5. After multiplying and dividing, we get 0.108. This is in cubic meter, but we want to calculate the number of cement bag. So for that, 0.108 cubic meter multiplied by density of cement, which is equal to 1440 kg per cubic meter. Here cubic meter cancel with cubic meter. 0.108 multiply 1440, we get 155 kg, and we know that one cement bag is equal to 50 kg. So dividing this value by 50, we get 3.1 bags. So for plastering of 20 square meter wall, 3 number of bags will be required. Now we will calculate the quantity of sand. How much sand we required for this plaster? So viewers, sand quantity equals to dry volume, which will be remain for cement and sand, multiplied by sand ratio divided by sum of ratio. Viewers, we know that our dry volume is 0.54 and our sand ratio is 4 and sum of ratio is 5. So putting these values, sand ratio is 4 because we are using 1:4 because it is an outer wall, dividing by sum of ratio, which is equal to 5. After calculating, multiplying and dividing, we get 0.432 cubic meter. This is the quantity required for plastering of 20 square meter wall. Viewers, I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon. I will be back having another video. Thank you.